Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is email, and in that we are going to see inbound email. Email functionality is an essential for interacting with customers, partners and internal team members. Salesforce provides various ways to handle both inbound and outbound emails. All classes and methods that are used to send email or to handle inbound emails are defined in messaging namespace. There are two types of emails, inbound email and outbound email. Inbound email service in Salesforce allows us to process incoming emails using Apex classes. Email services are automated process that use Apex class to process the contents, headers and attachments of inbound email. When we want to send email notification dynamically, we will use Apex-based email services. These services enable the creation of custom email handlers to automate actions based on the email content. The email is received by the Apex email service and processed by Apex classes that utilizes the inbound email object. Whenever new mail is coming to the Salesforce from an external system, we can execute Apex logic to process the incoming message. Methods: Apex class has to implement messaging.inbound handler interface and also has to define the handler inbound email method to handle the incoming email. Methods: messaging.inbound email. This class contains email received from an external system, contains attribute to retrieve the email properties. Messaging.envelope. This class stores to and from addresses. Messaging.inbound email result. This class contains variable results. Value of the result is true if email is handled successfully. Value of result is false if email is not handled successfully. Below is a simple scenario demonstrating how to create an inbound email service in Salesforce. Scenario: create a case from an incoming email. In this scenario, we will create a new case in Salesforce. Whenever an email is received, the email subject will be used as the case subject and the email body will be used as the case description. Steps to implement the inbound email service: create an Apex class to handle incoming emails. First, we need to create an Apex class that implements the messaging.inbound email handler interface. This class will contain the logic to process the incoming emails. Here we need to create Apex class, create an email service. Next, we need to create an email service in Salesforce that uses the case email handler class. For this, we need to follow the navigation: setup, email service, new email service. Then we need to enter the following details: email service name. Here we are taking create case from email. Apex class, case email handler. Accept attachments, making it true. Active, true. We have to make it active. Click save. Create an email service address. After creating the email service, we need to create an email service address. This is the email address that will receive the incoming emails. Click new email address on the email service detail page. Then enter the following details: email address name. Here we are taking case email address and email address we need to provide. Set accept email from to a domain or specific email addresses. Click save. Testing the inbound email service. To test the inbound email service, send an email to the email address you specified in the email service address. After sending the email, a new case should be created in Salesforce with the email subject as the case subject and the email body as the case description. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So here first we are going to create a Apex class. For this we need to click on setup, developer console, right click, open link in new tab. So here we are going to create a Apex class by clicking on file, new, Apex class, and here we are taking the name as case email handler. Click OK. So now we are going to make it global class case email handler implements messaging dot inbound email handler. This is the interface what we have to include. Global messaging dot inbound email result, then handle inbound email messaging dot inbound email. We are creating variable email messaging dot inbound envelope, making it as envelope. Now we are creating an inbound email result object. So messaging dot inbound email result, taking the variable result, create a new case. So for this case variable new case equals to new case. So in the new case variable dot subject equals to email dot subject. So email dot subject it is putting in new case subject, and new case description would be email dot plain text body, and new case dot origin is email. Then try insert the new case. So here we are inserting the new case, this variable. Set the result status to true if the case is created successfully. So result dot status equals to true. Catch exception E. Log the exception and set the result status to false if there is an error. So in that case result dot success equals to false, and result dot message equals to fail to create case. In that we are displaying the message e dot get message return result. Save this class. So next we are going to click on setup. From here we can follow the navigation from the PPT. Here from the search bar we need to search for email service. Click on email service. So in the email service it's saying that email services are automated process that use Apex classes to process the content, header and attachments of inbound email. So this is the class what we had seen right now. Here we need to click on new email service. Then we need to provide the information. Create case from email. This is our service name, and from here we have to choose our Apex class. So our class name is case email handler. Choose this. Accept attachments all. Next, convert text attachments to binary attachments. Check this and make it active. Save. Next, we have to create the email address. Click on new email address. Email address name, case email address, and we are making it active. Context user is Salesforce Network, and Salesforce Network at gmail.com is the email address. Click save. Now our email address is generated. So we need to copy this email address, log into our Gmail account. So here I am clicking on compose, putting the email address what I had copied right now. Subject I am making this test email to case is subject, and in the message body, hi team, this is the text message for checking the email to case. Thanks. Before sending, just we need to verify in the case object. So recently there is no case recently viewed. All open cases is what, like 0 to 16 24. This is the all open cases. Now coming back to our mail, and here I am clicking on send. So also verify the sent is properly sended or not. Yes, it's sended. Click on cases, refresh this. So we are able to see that one new case is created, 0 to 6. Just I am clicking on this case. So here we are seeing the case number, status new priority medium, case origin is email, and subject is text email to case. Subject is test email to case. Description, hi team, what we had given there, that we are seeing in the description part. Like this we are creating the case from email. Thank you.